Hi and welcome. Adam Rovithis with Rovithis Realty, and we're here at 282 Newhouse, a beautiful tree-lined street here in Springfield. Affordable, turnkey, and updated. We've got gorgeous features inside like beautiful hardwood floors, granite countertops. We've even got a finished basement. We've also got some extra bonuses that are kind of rare for this street. We've got a large fenced-in yard, a detached garage, and a great three-season sunroom. Come on, let's check it out. Well, I hope you enjoyed your personal tour here at 282 Newhouse Street in Springfield. With spring just a few months away, I could really see myself entertaining guests here and enjoying the three-season room. If you have any additional questions about the property or would like to schedule a private showing with me, please don't hesitate to contact me at the number below. Also, if you know anyone else looking for this nice of a home, ranch here in Springfield, please share the video link with them. I know they'll thank you. Here at Rovithis Realty, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you.